Hey guys, this is Chet from BeatsToRapOn. Today I'm going to run you through our ultimate AI stem splitter. You can see today you can just hit BeatsToRapOn/AI-stem-splitter and you'll get onto this one here. You can use this without any problem. But if you look down below, what we have is we've got a little bit more functionality in our creative workspace. So you can head on into our creative workspace and there's so many effects per stream you can apply on this thing. It's brilliant. So just smash that button, it will take you straight to the page. And today what we're going to run you through is how to use the ultimate stem splitter online in the creative workspace. So you can choose studio mode, pro or basic. Today we're going to do pro. Is it better than LALAL? We think it is. Let's give it a crack. In fact, we've done a lot of research and compared these on the market, and this is absolutely the best, hands down. So we've kicked it off. So what we're doing now is we're just going to wait until it processes. If you got a subscription, you can actually close this browser and come back to it. It will go up in your stem storage here. If you don't have a subscription or you got a zero shot, if you don't have a subscription or you've got a zero shot, then keep the browser open so you can process your stems. So I'm just going to fast forward the video now a little bit until we get around almost finished, and then we'll come back. All right, that looks like it is done. So it's just going to grab now the audio from our AI. It grabs the audio from the AI, and what you can do here is you can download all the stems once they come up. You can choose to do another one, whatever you want. But here we've got the stems here. Let's just move that out of the way so it's a little bit bigger. And yeah guys, I don't know about you, but I think this looks beautiful. Great interface, you know, it's slick. If you guys don't like it, let us know. If you do like us, let us know. You can hit download straight away and it will just process the tracks and download them. Also got all these volume controls here, these effects. So if you want to apply any of the effects to any of the stems, you can do that out of the box, and when you change them and you hit download, those stems will have the effects applied to them. So let's go check out the vocals, shall we? Let's see how good that came out.
Queen from a movie scene. I said don't mind, but do you mean I am the one?
Wow, that's clean.
Dance on the floor in the round. Breaking young girls' hearts. Me, be careful what you do.
That is good.
Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts.
If you want to put it down, you can. If you want to turn it up, you can.
Be careful who you love. Be careful what you do.
All these effects are real time. Is that sounding brilliant? Let's have a look at the drums. That sounds phenomenal, huh? How good does that sound? You can pan if you want. Doesn't matter what you do, right? And if you do anything, maybe I add saturation, then I hit download. So what we'll do is process that saturation on the track before it downloads. These are probably some of the cleanest stems that you're going to get on the market today. Good. It's so good. So good. So good. Let's check out the bass. Very good, yep. It's all super clean, guys. Very clean. Super clean. Yeah, I mean, I think this is way better than LALAL or Moses or any of them out there. This is by far the best and the ultimate. This is the ultimate stem splitter on the market today at any time. So you can do that before. What we'll do now is we'll do the same track with 6 stems. We'll be right back. Do 6 stems now. So Pro's 4 stems. Studio is 6 stems. So let's grab that Michael Jackson and yeah, let's start processing and check out the 6 stems. I'll catch you soon. Cool, and it seems to be done there. Just getting back now, it's just fetching the stems for you. If you're like me and you like crystal clear stems, you're going to love this. I mean, this is the best by far. Beats all of the other ones out in the market. LALAL, all of them. We've trained ours on far more music. We've got specialized also as well. We've got multiple neural networks here, and you can see at the moment it's just fetching those audios. It will start loading up the waveforms, and here they start to be popped up here. Yep, and here they come. All right, great. See, we've got piano, vocals, you know, the other bass, guitar, and drums. Let's check out the drums. God damn, that is clean. Listen to that. Listen to those splits. So clean. Listen to that. That's what I'm talking about. Let's listen to the bass. Yeah. Oh, sorry, that was me. All right, what have we got in here? Some supporting. Okay, cool. What's the piano? All right, because there's no piano in there. Actually, what it did, it made the drums cleaner. All right, let's listen to the vocals. See what it says.
Afterwards, do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me,
Wow.
be careful who you love.
Wow.
Be careful what you do. Could the lie become the truth? Hey.
Wow, that is so clean.
In the manners, eat and the lands. Go and dance on the floor, in the round.
Wow, and there you go, guys. You can see why BeatsToRapOn AI stem splitter is by far the best and #1 in the world for stem splitting. All online, no plugins at all for you guys. Yeah, so that wraps up our review, and we'll catch you on the next one.